What's up, guys? My name is Kevin Parkinson, the writer, director, and producer of the new hit web series, Valley of the Queens. Make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. We're working on episode 3. It's hot fire, and I want to make sure you're the first to see it. So subscribe. All right, if you're like me, you're an independent filmmaker, and your gear means everything to you, and you want to get the most life out of it. I was on assignment last year in Louisiana, and after shipping my gear back home, the LCD screen cracked. This wasn't something that was protected under warranty, and I didn't want my premium to go up. So I did a little research and realized all you have to do is replace the LCD screen yourself. It really isn't that hard to do, but it's a common problem, and I want to quickly and effectively show you how to do that. So stay tuned and check this out. This will work for your Nikon, your Canon, your Pentax, any DSLR that you have. All right, now check it, guys. You're gonna need a few things like the LCD screen protector. I got mine from a nice little company called Vello. I got the links to the product in the description. You're gonna want a lens cloth cleaner, the filmmaker's tool of choice, a hair blow dryer. Make sure you have a good one, and you're gonna want some type of cotton swab. Also, you need a suction cup. Now, I didn't really own a suction cup, but my daughter has one from a teddy bear that we got her in Africa the other day. So thank you, baby, for letting daddy borrow your suction cup. All right, here we go. So first thing you're gonna do is take the hot air blow dryer and blow on the part of the camera where you have a broken LCD screen protector, that is. Now, it took me about 4.5 minutes to really get the LCD screen protector warm enough to where the adhesive was loose. You want to make sure you don't overheat your camera. So when it's hot to the touch, that's when it's time to stop. Once you do that, you're going to take your suction cup, make sure you get a really good grip on it, and really gently but forcefully pull off the LCD screen that you are replacing. After a nice little tug, you'll notice that depending on the size of your crack, your LCD protector is probably going to come out in pieces. It's okay. Don't panic when this happens. I found that the best way to get rid of the other parts is to use either your fingernails, or you can even use something like the edge of a credit card. Just keep in mind, under no circumstance can you scratch the actual LCD screen. If you scratch or damage it by putting too much pressure on it, then you're going to be in a world of pain. It's going to cost a lot of money to replace that. So be careful. Once you get it off, you are going to want to put those pieces to the side, and then it's time to start scraping off the nasty, gunky, old adhesive glue that is all around the edges. Use your fingernails to get it off, or you can use the back or the side of a credit card. But again, be careful. Now you're going to use your cotton to get any debris off of the actual LCD screen. You want to make sure that's nice and clean, free of smudges, no debris in the air. Depending on how dirty your house or your office is, you might be getting some debris. Just make sure you keep it clean. This is also a good time to get your lens cleaner out and clean that LCD screen. You may have accidentally smudged it. Hey, if it's shining, then it's good. So again, back to your LCD screen protector. Make sure you get the right one, the right size for your camera. Do not get the wrong size. It may not fit. So pretty self-explanatory when you actually get to the LCD protector. What you're going to do is take off one side of the protective cover. Now, if you get the cover from the company I bought mine from, you get this handy-dandy tool kit that tells you how to use it. Read the directions, guys. It definitely can't help. Or hurt. All right, guys. So after you do that, again, you're going to take off one side of the protective covering. Use your glass cover or your glass cleaner again to clean that side that is exposed. And then gently find the groove and put on your new LCD protector. Now, it may take 1 or 2 times to actually get the perfect fit. You're going to want to do this perfectly the first time. And then you're going to take off the other side of protective coating on your LCD protector. Go ahead and grab your glasses cleaner again, or your glass cleaner, and while cleaning the new LCD protector, gently but firmly also push down. This way you're going to bond it to your camera so it does not fall off. And you should be looking good. Now, just to double check that everything is straight, go ahead and turn your camera on. What I did was just go to the menu and make sure everything looked good. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how you safely and effectively replace your LCD screen. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for episode 3 of Valley of the Queens, and you should see a link right now to the playlist for the episodes that we have completed already. Take a look at them, leave some comments, show me some love, tell me what you think. And I would love for you to also send me links to your web series, your projects. Let's talk about them. Much love and peace, y'all.